Our main goal is to make sure that the customers are happy and that they get their equipment sorted out as soon as possible.
What sets Cirrus apart from everyone else is the fact that we're not just here to sell a product, we are here to sell an entire offering, whether that's consultancy and analysis services, calibration services to help them keep their instruments compliant, as well as all the training and support and advice they need to do the measurements.
All our instruments are designed in-house with our own engineers. We design all the software, release it, support it and update it in-house. We're constantly researching, developing new ideas, new instruments, hardware, software that we can release and improve our offerings to our customers.
We're conditioned to not recognise a lot of the noise in our everyday lives, but if you actually stop and listen, you'll realise there's a lot of noise out there, and we need to raise awareness of that and help people measure it and control it to protect their hearing. There's research out there that suggests by the year 2031, around 1 billion young people will be suffering from noise-induced hearing loss.
We supply not just the equipment for their noise measurement, but the support, training and our 50 years of expertise.
It's important to use Cirrus products because they are built to a recognised international standard, which means they'll provide compliant and accurate data on noise in any environment.
We're making sure that people continue to hear the most important things in their life. For example, their vows, the laughter of grandchildren, the sound of the sea.
Listen to the radio or the television, or even just having a conversation with someone and being able to understand that conversation.
It really does feel like we're making a difference here.